And as he hung upon the cross, his mother cried. I saw the crown of thorns he wore.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor Ochi. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa umagang ito sa aklat po ng Romans chapter 12 verse 6. Having then gifts differing according to the grace that is given to us, let us use them. Sa umagang ito, our topic will be called, tinawag. Nag-iisip tayo, kailan ba ako tinawag ng Diyos? Tinawag tayo ng Diyos, mga kapatid, sa isang napakalaking gawain. God doesn't just use the unwilling. He won't force us to serve Him. But if we are willing to be used, God is calling us. His part is to equip us and empower us and prepare us for the service. But our part is to be faithful and available and aware of opportunities to use our gifts. God has given us gifts, hindi para sa sarili natin, but to be used to reach out other people, to become an instrument for other people. When you feel impelled to help, feel a need. When you are inwardly driven to serve, listen to those thoughts. You don't want to miss God's call. God is calling you to be an instrument. There's a call from above, wanting you to become an instrument of the Word of God, wanting you to use your gifts that the Lord has given you. Last point po na gusto kong ibahagi, God uses ordinary people to do extraordinary work. Dahil kung tayo pong lahat ay magagaling, paano pa po makikita ang glory ng Panginoon sa buhay natin? Kahit tayo po'y ordinaryong tao, sabihin ko po sa inyo, gagamitin po tayo ng Panginoon sa mga extraordinary thing. Remember this, God can use you kahit sino ka pa man at kahit pa man ano ang iyong nakaraan. God bless po at pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon sa umagang ito.
This child of peace and mercy